Are you still wearing the same makeup and doing the same routines for decades? Then this video is for you. My name is Nancy Joseph. I'm a style and beauty expert, and today I want to bring to you 5 tips on how to bring out your natural beauty after 40, 50, and beyond. When we're trying to wear makeup and do what we used to do before, it doesn't work. It actually has the opposite effect. It makes us look like we're trying too hard, and it's just not natural. So number 1 is exfoliate your skin at least twice a week and get rid of those dead skin cells and expose that beautiful fresh skin. Number 2 is only use a pea-sized amount of your liquid foundation, keep it at the center of your face, and then work it out to your hairline and your jawline. Number 3 is your brows. This is really important, especially now because it's all about the brows lately. Well, I don't want you to recreate that brow that you had when you were 20, because as we age, our brows, they soften, our whole face softens. So we don't want this bold, dark brow. It's very unnatural. Be careful of that. The next one is, number 4 is mascara. I want you to put 1, 2, 3 coats of mascara on to open up those eyes. And then finally is your lipstick. Make sure you find a lipstick that is the color of the inside of your lips or your gums. That's the most natural. I put a link below on the color that I have on. I'll make a recommendation there for you. If you like this kind of content, you like this video, and this is right up your alley, then subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Mwah! Bye-bye.